Okay, let's create a sourdough starter backup to put in the fridge. So what I'm going to do here is today I have taken half of my sourdough starter that I have sitting on the counter. I have put it into a new clean jar. This is a pint-sized jar. You can see it's about that much in there. I'm going to simply just go ahead and add some flour, maybe a fourth of a cup, and then half of that. A little bit of splash of water there, and bring it to the consistency that you normally would mix your sourdough starter. You know, that thick pancake batter. And we're just going to give it a mix. And then what we're going to do is just sit it on the counter for about 2 hours, kind of let it go, get bubbly and stuff like that. And we're going to put a lid on it. Instead of using a cheesecloth that I use for the one that sits here, or your coffee filter, whatever you use for the one on your counter, you're going to actually use a normal lid here. I just use a plastic lid, and then we are going to place it in the fridge.